So I want to give a little bit of help with the week 4 cumulative review recap worksheet. This one can be especially challenging. So a couple things that you need to make sure you've done before you try to copy paste and use find and replace. First of all, you need to make sure your two worksheets that you have, one you created, one you copied, and both you renamed, you need to make sure that they are named exactly like this. March, one space, and then the date, and then March, one space, and then the date. That will be very important in getting find and replace to work for you. The other thing you need to make sure on the March 10th worksheet, you need to make sure that you have deleted column A. Remember, somewhere earlier in the directions, they ask you to select, to group the worksheets, and then to delete column A, and then you added the formatting to rows 1 to 6. So you want to make sure you absolutely delete column A. There was nothing in it, but it will throw off your formulas. So when you come to the recap sheet, the directions ask you to copy what is under Saturday and then go to Sunday. I think it wanted you to start in B21 and paste. So once you are here, you are going to select all of this data. And then on your home tab, you would go to find and replace. And in this box, with this data selected and only this data, you are going to find what March 9th, replace with what March 10th. And what that is going to do, so if you look in all of these formulas, it is pulling data from March 9th worksheet. Remember from linking worksheets, it starts with the sheet name and then it has the cell range. So all of these formulas currently are referencing March 9, which is why it's so important to name the sheets correctly from the beginning. So when we select this data and we go to replace, Excel is going to look in all those formulas, because technically you can't see any March 9ths in the data as we look at it now, but it's going to go into those formulas, and each time it finds March 9th, it will replace it with March 10th. I replaced all of them at one time. I think the directions want you to go step by step, but you can see now when I look in the formulas, it has changed all of the formulas to reference the March 10th worksheet. So I hope this helps you.